Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I got myself a bunch of new dishes and things like that, and I needed some new plates, so I figured I'd buy myself my Corelle plates because I love the Corelle stuff. And it came in a box like this. Look at that! It just came, didn't even come with plastic or anything in between the plates. It looks like, I don't know. Oh, it's got the little label on it. Corelle Vitrelle extra strength. So it's got the little sticker on it. Does each one have a sticker on it? Yes, they all do. So it's Winter Frost White is the style I got, so it matches all my other stuff. And I guess once I get off all these stickers here, I'll put these in the dishwasher. And I got these because these are the bigger size. Before, if you look at what I had before, I only had the smaller size here, these ones here, which were good for some stuff, but if I have a big dinner or something like that, I want something bigger. These ones have Mickey Mouse. But so that's what I got here, and so I'm gonna get the stickers off of all these, and I'll be putting them in the wash. So they look nice, and they'll be big enough for a whole meal.